Imagine standing beneath the colossal dome of Rome's Pantheon, an architectural marvel built nearly 2 millennia ago. No visible cracks, no crumbling facade. Now picture a modern skyscraper, barely 50 years old, already requiring extensive repairs. The stark reality is this: the Roman Empire possessed a concrete technology that still shames our modern builders. A forgotten secret ingredient allowed their structures to defy time, outliving almost everything we construct today. Transport yourself back to the vibrant heart of the Roman Empire, around 126 AD. Their ambitions were limitless: colossal aqueducts, bustling harbors, unyielding fortresses, and magnificent temples. To achieve this, they needed materials that could withstand immense pressure, seawater, and centuries of exposure. The Romans weren't just master builders, they were chemical engineers, perfecting a revolutionary binder that would become the backbone of their civilization. Their secret wasn't brute force, it was geological genius. The key lay in volcanic ash, known as pozzolana, found near Naples. When mixed with lime and seawater, this ash didn't just bind materials, it created a unique chemical reaction. Unlike modern concrete, which slowly degrades, Roman concrete actually grew stronger and more resilient over time, even developing a remarkable self-healing capacity, particularly underwater. This self-healing property is the truly shocking detail. While modern Portland cement concrete often deteriorates within 50 to 100 years, requiring costly repairs and immense carbon emissions, it contributes approximately 8% of global CO2. Roman concrete structures like the Pantheon and countless ancient harbors have endured for over 2,000 years. Their buildings weren't just static structures, they were living materials, hardening with age. Yet, this incredible knowledge was largely lost with the fall of the Roman Empire. For centuries, the precise recipes and techniques vanished, becoming mere whispers of a bygone era. When modern concrete re-emerged in the 18th century, it lacked the volcanic magic of its ancient predecessor. We gained efficiency and speed but sacrificed durability and environmental stewardship, unknowingly building a throwaway world. Today, facing a climate crisis and infrastructure crumbling prematurely, scientists are revisiting these ancient formulas. Researchers are painstakingly reverse engineering Roman concrete, discovering its sustainable chemistry and self-repairing mechanisms. Could the wisdom of engineers who built 2 millennia ago not only offer a blueprint for structures that last forever but also provide the key to a truly green and sustainable future for modern architecture?